In this video, we will explain how to set up your Influencer Hero account. First things first, just head over to our website, then click on the login button on the top right hand side corner of the website. This will navigate you over to the sign in page. If you're a first time user, just click on create an account. It will send you a verification code which you need to enter in order to create your account. If you already have an account, simply type in your login details and click on continue. The first step in the account setup process is your general information. So this is the company name. You don't need to type in the exact incorporation name. This is just for internal usage. So you don't need to write LLC or the LTD, whatever company you have. You just type in the name of your company. So I just use the example Gymshark here. Then you type in the time zone wherever you're located and you click on Save Changes. The second thing for the account setup is the users section. This is essentially where you invite your team. Okay, so let's say I'm the head of influencer marketing and I want to add my entire team. You just add the name and the email of your team members and click on Send Invite. They will receive an invitation through which they can access the platform. The second step is the brand section. This is where you enter all the details of the brand. So brand name right here, I just entered Gymshark here as the example. Brand URL, it's important here that you don't add any of the prefixes. For example, World Wide Web, you just enter the root domain. Okay, so in this example here, it will be gymshark.com. For Instagram handle, it's quite similar. You just add the name of the Instagram handle. No need to add the @ right, which is frequently asked. So just the name and then you can click on Save Changes. The Klaviyo integration and Shopify integration will be covered in a separate video. For now, what's important is to activate your subscription. In order to do this, you click on Change Plan in the bottom right-hand side corner, and this will navigate you over to Stripe. So if you don't have an active subscription yet, this button right here would say Change Plan. You click on it, you can select either quarterly or yearly, which will give you some additional discounts, and then you will need to enter your credit card details in order to activate your subscription. Once your subscription is active, you click on Return to Influencer Hero on the left-hand side. It will bring you back to the setting page and it should say down here the plan you have activated. Okay, so if for any reason your subscription isn't active, it should say here no plan. Okay, so make sure to double check that so that your subscription is correctly activated. The next step is to hover over to email. So this part's important. There are always two types of emails which are associated to your Influencer Hero account. The first email is the email you use to log in and essentially to access the platform, right, for your team members. This is in the general section. And the second email, which is associated with your Influencer Hero account, are the emails which you use to contact the influencers, right? So we have three different options here. Essentially, we do have a native integration with a Gmail and Outlook, so you can directly log in through these two options. If you're not on these two main providers and you use something else like Zoho or any of the other providers, you can also connect through SMTP and IMAP. Just Google or ChatGPT the SMTP, IMAP, and the name of your email provider, and it will show you the access keys which you need to set this up. The third option is hosted by us, which is essentially a domain which is provided by us, which you can also use. This is the last step of the account setup process. Once you have connected your email, you're good to go. And we wish you great success with your influencer marketing campaigns.